Everything is relative in our lives. Eyeshadow of a big box size or a pinky-sized lip gloss. Is it much or not? Watch how to create giant and miniature makeup in our new video. What a boring day! Sometimes you just need something magical to happen. Ask and you shall receive. I've just been thinking about magic and a real Alice from Wonderland appears. Alice hasn't come empty-handed. Looking at my pale and bored face, she's brought a gigantic face powder. Take a cookie tin and spray paint it gold. Cover foam plastic balls with foundation. Draw a powder label on a round piece of golden cardboard using a marker. Hot glue it to the lid. Cover the balls with pearl paint and put them into the box. I open a gigantic face powder. Wow! With balls like these, you may do makeup for all people with bored faces in the city. I offer Alice to join my tea party, but she seems to prefer being a guest at a mad tea party, along with the Hatter and the March Hare. So Alice disappears. Nail polishes tend to run out at the most unexpected moment. How should I finish my nails now? Some fingers will feel lonely and sad. But Alice has come to help me again. It's great that she understands the crucial importance of manicure. Alice claps her hands and voila! A huge nail polish appears on the table. Take a big glass jar. Take a plastic flower pot of an appropriate size. We will make a high cap shape, just like the one covering a real nail polish bottle. Hot glue a long foam plastic cone to the bottom of the pot. Spray paint it black. Pour acrylic paint into the jar and spread it over the walls. Take a paintbrush and cut off the excess. Hot glue it to the cap. Attach a printed out nail polish label to the jar. Close the cap. Wow! What a gigantic polish bottle! How should I use it? The brush is also enormous. Maybe it's for a giant girl's nails. You may paint everything around you with this nail polish. But Alice finds out a solution in no time. You can use a brush that comes with your regular nail polish and dip it into this gigantic jar. I will use this nail polish for a gazillion years to come. Even my grandchildren and grand-grandchildren will keep using this after me. All regular nail polishes are nothing compared to my new extra-large makeup. I can forget about restocking my makeup collection with this new face powder and huge nail polish. Meanwhile, Alice is doing some magic tricks and we get some tea and sweets. But there is something I want more than sweets. I wonder if Alice can make this come true. It's a real challenge. Move up, cookies and tea. It's time for a whole makeup set. Take a big cardboard box. We've painted it in a bright color in advance. Take a strip of corrugated cardboard, which is as wide as the box and a little longer. Fold the side flaps, scoring the fold lines with a craft knife and a ruler. Put it on the box. Put the cardboard holder inside the box. Trace a cutlery tray on the cardboard and cut out a proper hole. Paint the cardboard frame in a bright color and hot glue it to the box. Paint the tray gold and put it into the box. Mix sand with acrylic paint. Add some glitter and mix. Put this mass into the tray. Press it. Make a few eyeshadow colors by mixing sand with different paints and put a paintbrush into the palette. Decorate the lid of the box with golden tape. I open the Wonder Box. I can even dip my head into these awesome eyeshadows and the makeup will be put on without any help. Moreover, it is so fun to squish it in your hands. Huge stress-relieving eyeshadows are at your disposal. Foundation, check. Eyeshadows, check. To complete the picture, mascara is all that's missing. The regularly sized mascara is not for Alice. If we talk about lashes, she means extra large lashes. Mark the dimensions of a big shampoo bottle on a piece of decorative adhesive paper. Cut out a proper length and stick it to the bottle. Decorate the edges with golden tape. Cut out a printed label. Attach it to the bottle and embellish with the golden tape. Take an empty